everyone, welcome to Shortgate. Today we are kicking off our gate preparation series with one of the most fundamental and important topics, that is sorting algorithms. Sorting is not just a critical topic for the gate exam but also a key concept in computer science that helps improve the efficiency of many other algorithms. So let's dive into the basic and build a strong foundation together. Now, what is sorting algorithm? Sorting algorithms are methods used to arrange elements in a list or array in a certain order, usually ascending or descending. Understanding sorting is essential as it plays a vital role in optimizing the performance of other algorithms like searching and data structure manipulation. Now, focus on the top types of sorting. There are various sorting algorithms that are bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort, and quick sort. Bubble sort, the simplest sorting algorithm, which repeatedly steps through a list, compare adjacent elements, and swap them if they are in the wrong order. Selection sort divides the list into sorted and unsorted sections and repeatedly selects the smallest element from the unsorted section. Now insertion sort builds the final sorted list one item at a time, with a new items inserted in the correct portion. Merge sort, it is a divide and conquer algorithm that splits the list into halves, sort them and then merge them back together. Quick sort, another divide and conquer algorithm that picks a pivot element and partition the array around the pivot. Today, we learn about bubble sort. Now, what is bubble sort? Bubble sort is a straightforward sorting algorithm that repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent elements, and swap them if they are in the wrong order. This process is repeated until the list is sorted. It's called bubble sort because smaller elements means bubble to the top of the list, just like bubbles rising in water. Now, how does bubble sort work? It starts at the beginning of the list. Compare the first two adjacent elements. If the first is greater than the second, then swap them. Move to the next pair of adjacent elements and repeat the process. Continue this process for each element in the list. At the end of each full pass, the largest element moves to its correct position. Repeat the steps for the remaining unsorted portion of the list until the whole list is sorted. Now, see an example. Let's sort the list 5, 3, 8, 4, 6 using bubble sort. Now, in the first pass, we compare 5 and 3. 5 is greater than 3, so swap them. Now, in the second pass, compare 5 and 8. Repeat this process until the list is sorted. Now, see the time complexity. Bubble sort has time complexity of order of n in the best case and order of n square in the worst case and average cases, making it inefficient for large datasets. This is because in the worst case, it needs to make n passes through the list, where n is the number of elements. Now see the advantages and disadvantages of bubble sort. What is the advantages? It is simple to understand and implement, useful for educational purpose and understanding basic sorting mechanism. What are the disadvantages? Inefficient for large datasets due to high time complexity. Performs poorly compared to more advanced algorithms like merge sort and quick sort. Now, see the code. This code sorts an array using the bubble sort algorithm. It iterates through the array, repeatedly swapping adjacent elements if they are in the wrong order, until the array is sorted. Bubble sort is the simplest sorting algorithm. For this reason, other sorting technique is used. We will see this in the next video. Stay connected and subscribe for more content. Comment with questions or topics you would like to cover next. Let's keep moving forward on our journey to cracking it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found this explanation of bubble shot is helpful. It's a simple but fundamental step in your gate preparation. Keep practicing and don't hesitate to drop any questions in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe and share with fellow GATE aspirants. See you in the next video where we will explore more sorting algorithms. Happy studying!